Hey Envy Beauty, in today's video, we will be putting on my most popular lash. So we will be teaching the girlies how to put on their lashes quick and easy. So stay tuned.
Okay, let's get it now. I'm for the bad bitch. Friends. I don't say I say to the band. To the band.
First thing first, you want to use some good quality lash glue. I know some of the girlies use hair glue. Up to you, but I would prefer to use lash glue. But they all work, so it's up to you. So when you put your lashes on, you want to make sure that you start from the inner corner and then line it up with your lash line close to your natural lashes. And then you will want to pinch the lash to get it close to your natural lashes to make it look as natural as possible. And then after you do that, you will just fix it and adjust it just to make sure that everything is lined up good. And then we'll end up looking like this. I ate that. I ate that. And I'm still fixing it, so just to make sure I ain't tripping. So yeah, so when you use your lash glue, just make sure that it dries just a little bit so it can be a little tacky and sticky a little bit, so it will just hold real good with the lashes. So you will grab your other lash and then you will just do the same thing. See, I almost messed up right there. You see? So yeah, you want to start from the inner corner and then line it up with your lash line. After you line it up with your lash line, you want to pinch it so it can get close to your natural lashes to make sure it look as natural as possible, and then you will just adjust it after you do that. And then you just keep fixing it, just to make sure it look good. And then it will end up looking like this. Look good and cute and cutesy and quick and easy. And it will look like this. Just follow the steps. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back to my video for good quality lashes and lash tips.